Hello everyone, this is Dr. A.K. Onyal, and I am going to describe the brief study about cultivation practice of barley, and it is basically meant for PG forestry students of MSc third sem agroforestry, and under the paper crop production in agroforestry systems. And here we go with barley, the Hordeum vulgare, scientifically named, and it is from family Gramineae and or Poaceae. First of all, we have to know where about the seeds come from. Seeds must be obtained from tested source or approved sources, or it can be also verified by the labels or tags attached with the bags those are having the seeds. These labels or tags should be retained even after sowing, just to cross check the information mentioned in these bags related to all the facts those will encompass during this cultivation practice, like germination, then survival, then production. Okay, then we have to go with this field selection of field, and what could be the isolation distance therein. Selection of field should be always in the manner that the selected field would always be free from volunteer plants, and soil should not be acidic in nature, and it should must have proper drainage system. Field should be isolated at least 3 meters from other barley fields, but 150 meters isolation distance is merely recommended for prevention of loose smuts of barley from nearby fields. Next we have seed sowing, planting techniques, planting pattern, and crop geometry. And for the barley cropping, we have to prepare the field by using one deep soil turning plough and 2-3 harrowings, which then be followed by leveling of soil. Seeds should be treated with some organomercurial fungicides before sowing, and then finally seeds are sown at the rate 75 kg per hectare during the second fortnight of November to the first week of November. These durations are mentioned as per the locality factors. In South India it may be November, in northern India it may be October, or likewise. Row to row distance should be 20 centimeter, and here the sowing depth of the seeds should be 5 to 7.5 centimeter, and the field must be leveled after sowing. Okay, then we come to nutrient requirement, and what could be the nutrient requirement for good cropping of this barley crop. 60 to 80 kg of nitrogen, 30 kg of phosphorus, and 20 kg of potassium per hectare is needed for good crop of barley. Doses of these nutrients could be reduced or increased as per the results of soil testing or their reports. Half of the nitrogen and whole amount of phosphorus and potassium is applied as the basal dressing, and remaining amount of nitrogen is given at the time of first irrigation. Then we comes to irrigation schedule, and this field is irrigated 2 to 3 times, and first irrigation is given at crown root stage, while the second irrigation is given at flowering, and the third irrigation is given at maturity stages. Next we have weed management, or under this we have to discuss how the weeds are manipulated or managed for good cropping of barley. One weeding is sufficient to keep barley field clean and free from weeds. Uh, Sometime to control broad-leaved weeds, 1 kg of 2,4-D, which can be dissolved in 750 liters of water per hectare, should be sprayed after 30 to 35 days of sowing. Then finally we have roguing, or it is the practice that include manual weeding and roguing, that include all the removal of all the off-type plants, or off-type means other varieties, other crops, weed plants, infected plants, damaged plants, poorly grown plant. Sometimes healthy plants are also removed just for the sake of spacing, to be removed at the time of flowering, as well as up to or before maturity also. That's it for barley, and as I have mentioned in very earlier lines, that it is in very brief for the purpose of PG Forestry, Agroforestry students actually, and hope you all understand the brief description of this barley cultivation. Thank you.